We're back. Time now for our Neblett, Beard, and Arsenault Legal Difference segment. Attorney Wes Graylap joins us once again. We're going to focus and talk about property damage after an accident. So, Wes, thanks for joining us once again on the phone.
Thanks for having us, Mark. We're always pleased to be with you and KLB.
All right, Wes, let's get going here. Property damage. Now, who pays for repairs to my vehicle? We'll begin there.
Sure. Our vehicles are very important to us, especially in a rural area like central Louisiana. We need to get to and from work and everywhere else. And so when you get in an accident, there's obligations by the at-fault party and their insurance company to pay for your property damage to get your vehicle fixed. Sometimes you may be at fault for your accident, and you may have insurance that'll pay for that as well. But most often, the at-fault party and their insurance company will pay for the repairs to the vehicle.
All right. What about choosing a repair shop? How does that begin?
You have every right to have your car repaired wherever you like. Oftentimes, insurance companies have preferred shops, and they direct you towards those shops. But you can choose whoever you like, and please do your homework and choose a good one. Yeah,
that leads me to my next question. How do you go about choosing the right repair shop? That's pretty important, obviously.
Well, when our clients are involved in an accident, we make sure that we give them a couple of choices of reputable businesses that have been around for a long time and have a good reputation.
Okay, once you've chosen that repair shop now, what's the next step?
Well, you're likely going to need a rental car. Sometimes after an accident, your car is still drivable, and you can drive it up until the parts are in for the repairs to begin. Oftentimes, it's not drivable, but when you start the repairs, you need to be in a rental car so you can get around. And the insurance company for the at-fault party owes you a rental car or money for loss of use of your own car.
Remind me once again what gap insurance is, Wes.
Gap insurance is a type of insurance that you can purchase when you buy a vehicle. Oftentimes, vehicles lose value over time, and the repair cost can be higher than the value of the car. And so the car is totaled, and then you can make a claim with your gap insurance to pay the difference between the value of your car and what you owe the bank.
All right. Now what happens if your car or your vehicle is considered totaled?
So when your vehicle is totaled, if you own the vehicle outright, then the at-fault insurance company will pay you the value of your car. If you owe money on the car, they will pay that money to both the bank and to you. And first, your loan at the bank for the car will be paid off, and then any balance will be paid to you.
Who's responsible for the towing and the storage fees, Wes?
Initially, the owner of the vehicle is responsible, and the tow company has a lien against the vehicle. They have the vehicle, and so they're not going to give you that vehicle until they get paid.
Right.
So, but that obligation is owed by the at-fault party and its insurance company to you, and you owe it to the tow company.
Okay. And what should you do about the license plate? What's the best strategy there as far as taking care of the license plate?
Well, when your car is totaled and the insurance company is going to pay you for it, haul it off, have it destroyed, then you have an obligation to the Department of Motor Vehicles to turn in your license plate on that car, so that you can show that you're no longer driving it, because otherwise they're going to mail you a ticket for not having insurance.
Right. Okay, one more question real quick, Wes. If you, some people want to keep their vehicle after it's totaled. I'm not sure why, but some people do. What can you tell me about that?
Well, some people can have a vehicle that can be repaired, but the value of the repairs is greater than the value of the vehicle. So
Yeah.
you can keep it by getting a salvage title, and some people like to do the repairs themselves, but you simply go to the Department of Motor Vehicles and get a salvage title so that you can keep it.
All right. One question: what is a salvage title? You mentioned that just a minute ago.
Well, that means that the vehicle is not roadworthy, but you get a title to it, and then once you have it repaired, it can be inspected, and then you can get another regular title so that it can be driven on our highways.
All right, Wes, appreciate it. Thanks for joining us once again this morning. We can continue this talk next week. Again, for questions, more information, best way to get in touch with you?
Call us at Neblet Beard and Arsenault, 561-2500.
Got it. Thanks again, Wes. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Martin.
We have more to come. We're going to chat with Catherine Pierce, so stick around.